This is a very well lit attic. This is fantastic. Holy buckets, is it warm up here. Ugh. See here, we got a Mitsubishi. Ooh, there's some water right here. Let's see what's going on here. See this? Looks like we got some water dripping here. So it looks like all the fittings aren't leaking, but the problem is this cold water is sweating up here. So this is the importance of, this is a P-trap for the AC drain, so this only makes condensate when it's air conditioning, but it's so hot up here and this condensate is cold that it's condensing and sweating and it's causing water here. See, it's been dripping water there for a little bit. So that's why when I install these systems, I always like to insulate this trap regardless if it makes condensation in the winter or the summertime to prevent this from happening. So this will be an easy fix. I just need to get some wrap and I'll insulate this up. Also, we'll take a look at the filter. Ooh, filter's looking clean. That's a good sign. Cutters, rag, air pump pliers just in case. And that should do it. Alright guys, so I just wanted to be sure that everything was good here, because I'd hate to ever have water dripping out of an attic. After further diagnostic, you can see here, trap actually split there. So going back to in the winter time with this trap, this water's always sitting here. Oh shit, what the hell is that? Water is always sitting in here. And it must have froze during the winter time. So, yeah, we're gonna get that swapped out. So I just shut this unit off, so obviously the evaporator coil is still letting a little bit of condensate through. But the nice thing is we got this union here. So obviously you Alright guys, so here's the finished product now. Like I said, the old trap ended up having a crack in it. What I think happened is in the winter time, the condensate was still in the trap and it caused it to split by freezing up. So this should help prevent that as well. But this is why it's important to always get an annual AC inspection, especially once we get into the summertime where you're constantly using it, because these little things like this you don't notice until unfortunately it causes issues. But this is all set now. I end up replacing that trap. This is the vent. I got it a little bit higher than it needs to be. I'll just cut that down. We also added our sticker to the system. I got permission from the customer to do that. That way if there's ever an issue or if a new person buys the house, they'll know who to call. But yeah, that's it. Thanks. Check me out, guys. I was up there for maybe 20 minutes. Freaking soaked. You gotta have respect. The HVAC guys in the summer. It's not an easy job, but someone's got to do it. Peace.